Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. It's really easy and simple. So for this, first of all, open the Snapchat application and log into your Snapchat account that you are going to delete. From there, you have to tap on your profile icon at the upper left corner. Here, go to settings by clicking the gear icon at the upper right corner. Scroll down and click on this I need help. And now here scroll down again and you have to tap on this contact us. And now you have to scroll down a little bit again and select on this and tap on this safety and security. And from here you have to scroll down a little bit and tap on this manage my account, and then you can see the second option delete or reactivate my account. So just tap on it, and here you can see the first option, how do I delete my Snapchat account. Tap on it and then scroll down a little bit and you have to tap on this accounts portal. And when you are here, scroll down and as you can see the second last option delete my account, tap on it. And to finally delete your Snapchat account, you need to enter your Snapchat password and your username. After entering the password, you just have to tap on continue to delete your Snapchat account permanently. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.